Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and up to this point, I have been talking about editing the layout for Act contacts, the contact screen. But there are other layouts you can modify as well. Now, honestly, I've been doing this a long time, and it's so rare when I've ever edited those other layouts, but I want to show them to you. I'm going to go up to Tools, Design Layouts, and I want you to see that it says Contact, Group, Company, and Opportunity. If I come over here to Groups, you'll see that I have a layout on the screen that's very minimal. It just has a little bit of information in it. And you'll see I basically just have two fields. Well, if I want to modify this layout, I can do that. If I want to highlight or change what the opportunities looks like, I can click on Opportunities and modify this layout as well. In this case, it would be the detail view that I would work on. I could modify this. Okay. Also, companies. I'm going to click on companies. We'll go over and take a quick look at that. And I could modify this. Now, companies, I could see you modifying more likely than other things because there are some different ways you can use this to your advantage. Anyway, if you have any questions on any of the stuff I've talked about when working with layouts, if there's something I missed, something you want to learn about, just simply reach back to me. And I'd be more than happy to create tutorials or discuss this with you one-on-one. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for taking the time to be here. You have a great day. Be well. Bye now.